there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making turkey chili and cornbread, and I also wanted to set a pretty table, so I hope you enjoy coming along and doing a little bit of cooking and setting the table with me. My chili recipe, I can't really call it a recipe because it's different every time. It really depends on what I have on hand at the time. I had a lot of carrots in the fridge today, so I decided to throw those in. And I love it. It's very flexible and it's a very forgiving dish, but it always turns out really good. And it's very comforting and nutritious, just the kind of food that we need to get us through challenging times. I'm all out of chili powder, but I always have a couple of these on hand, and they're like a pre-mixed chili spice mix, and it comes in very handy. It's kind of like a bulletproof way to get a really good tasting chili. And it's also great for leftovers. I used what we had left as the sauce for enchiladas the next day, and that was also really delicious. We usually have our chili with rice, but today I decided to make cornbread. I found a new recipe on a blog that might be my new favorite. It turned out really moist and a little bit on the sweeter side, which went really well with the chili. I'll link the recipe below for you guys in case you're interested in trying it. I baked it on my cast iron skillet that I preheated with butter. And now to set the table, fresh flowers would be really nice right now, but we're working with what we've got, and I'm grateful that I have these pretty artificial tulips to add a touch of spring to our kitchen table today. thank you so much for watching. I hope you are safe, healthy, and I'll see you on my next video.